it's very well structured here. It's also the agents that we're using here of Rhino, Cat Convert, and like very specific to the tasks. This is all looking great as well. How would you suggest we go on about the agents? Like, how do we choose? If we know the task, is it how we choose then? Because when I hover over them, I can clearly see that PyMesh Lab is doing mesh processing and
Yeah, sure. So here you are in the process section. So here is basically the other side where you can predefine, a specific process to follow. So you don't let the system decide what to do, but instead you structure the actual flow. That is good for repetitive tasks, for example. And to answer your question, basically, here you are looking at the task node. So here you can decide both. Now, before the latest release, you were able to decide only the agent. Now you can decide both the agent and the model. So the model, as you said, is exactly that. So it's the same list you see in the chat. So the same considerations we have done so far are valid also here. For the agent, so yeah, we added some descriptions, a small one, of course, just one line to give an idea of how to use certain tools. Some user will be more familiar with some of these tools. Other users will not know part of them. That's expected. So in general, I would suggest that if you specifically know what you need, so you know, for example, you need Blender to model something because, I don't know, for a certain reason, for your specific task, Blender you think is the right tool to use, you can use in that way. If you're not sure, there is at the moment a general CAD, I think it's not general automation, I think it's called, if you go down. Yeah, general automation there. So that one is not exactly an auto mode. That is a feature we are developing. We will add in the following releases, where basically the auto mode will pick for you the right agent based on the inputs and the requests. That one is more to give freedom, let's say, to the system to use any of those tools to achieve your task. So that one is whenever you really don't know what to do, you can put that one. But if it is CAD related, you have 3 or 4 options here. If you need to slice something, of course, is Aibuild come and so on. So yeah,
this is also so good. Like so basically, I'm not just choosing which AI is the best. I'm just trying to find the best specialist for my task. And yeah, this seems like it's getting all the things we essentially need from 10 different platforms into one single Aibuild OS platform. And yeah, thank you so much for joining us and telling the users what's happening and what more is coming.
no problem.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure. Thank you.